Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about the training. It is an important element of staffing also, because earlier we discussed about the recruitment, selection, and now the training is there. Training is an important element which is used by the company to remove the problem faced by the worker of the organization. Generally, the different companies are providing the training opportunities to the worker in the different manners according to their requirements. If the workers are facing any type of problem, it can be removed with the help of training only. So that we can say training is an important element which is used by the company to match the required skills and the existing skills of the worker, those are working in our organization. And also we can say the organization those are providing regular training program to the workers, they are successful in the economy. And the companies those are not focusing over the training program, not focusing over the problems of the worker, they are facing a lot of problems to perform their business activities in the economy. That is why training is an important element. Training is an important equipment which is used by the company to remove the problems faced by the worker those are working in our organization. So that we can say training plays an important role for the growth and development of the employees those are working in the organization also. So after that we have to discuss about the benefits of training for the firm. Now we can say training is helpful for the firm as well as for the employees those are working in the organization. So training is good for both of them. That is why we have to discuss about the benefits of training for the firm at first. The first one is avoid wastage of time. As we know that if the organization is providing regular training program to the worker, then only the worker can complete the work effectively in the organization, and then they do not do any type of wastage of time in the organization. So all the work will be completed on time, no wastage of time will take place. The another one is increased productivity. As we know that whenever the workers face any type of problem, then only the management provide them training. So ultimately it improves the productivity and reduce the wastage of time and wastage of unproductive movement of the organization. That is why once the workers are trained, then ultimately the production capacity of the firm will improve in the organization, and the organization will also increase the production capacity of the firm. The another one is improve morale of employees. So that we can say once the worker is facing a lot of problems in performing the work, then ultimately his morale get down. But once the organization provide them training to complete the work in an efficient and effective manner, then ultimately the worker get satisfied and the morale of the worker will boost up. So that we can say it is responsibility of the management to provide the training, to check out the timing when the workers are needed the training most, and how the management will provide them training to improve the morale of them. The another one is standardization of work. So that we can say standardization of work can also take place if the workers are trained, if the workers are satisfied, then only the worker can perform their activities in the best possible manner, and the standardization of activities can be done. As we know that only the happy worker, only the satisfied worker, only the trained worker can perform well in the organization, and they also show the feeling of belongingness towards the organization and perform their activities in a best possible manner. That is why the standardization of work can take place. So students, these are the benefits of training for the firm. Now the another one is benefits to the employees. Now some of the benefits of training for the employees are also there. The first one is improved skills. As we know that the training is a program which is used by the organization to improve the skills of the worker. So ultimately once the worker get training from the management, then only the skills of the worker improve, and the worker can perform their activities in a best possible manner, because training is a program which remove the obstacles and problems in the way of working, and try to improve the skills of the worker. The another one is better performance. As we know that trained worker can give better performance as compare of untrained worker, because the trained worker know how to complete the work in a best possible manner by using effective or efficient manner. So that we can say training is a program which also helpful for improving the performance of the employees of the organization. The another one is less accidents. As we know that untrained worker cannot handle the machinery properly, because he do not have the training that how to start, how to stop the machines, how to operate the machine in a best possible manner. But the trained workers know all the things related to the operations of machinery, how to operate it, how to start it, how to close it. All the things are known by the trained workers only. So that the training is a very important element which which decrease the chances of accidents accident take place in the organization with the workers. The another one is satisfaction of the worker. As we know that training is an important element which is utilized by the company to satisfy the worker of the organization, because the worker, those are working in organization, if they face any type of problem, then ultimately they get dissatisfied and they don't want to perform their activities in a best possible manner. Whereas if the workers are trained, then the feeling of satisfaction take place among the workers and they want to perform their activities in the organization. That is why these are the some benefits of training for the employees. So student, you just go through about the benefits of training for the employees also. Now the another one is methods, on the job method. So there are two methods of training are also present. The first one is on the job method, the another one is off the job method training. Off the job method, in on the job method, the organization is providing the training to the worker while they are working in the organization. That's mean when the workers are performing their routine work in the organization, then only the management can conduct the training program to remove all type of problem whatever the workers are facing at the working place while performing the work. That is why on the job method is very helpful for the company, in which we have to discuss about the apprenticeship program. It is a apprenticeship training in which the master trainer teach the subordinate that how to perform the work in a best possible manner. Like electrician, plumber, they always take one subordinate under him, they teach them while they are joining the connection of the pipes and wires. So that we can say apprenticeship program is on the job method. Internship, in which some of the students, those are studying in the professional colleges, they also got the training opportunities in the multinational companies in between the semester. So in which they know about the applications of theoretical knowledge in a practical field. So that is why apprenticeship is also considered as on the job training program, which is very helpful for the student those are taking professional studies. Induction also is a type of a training program in which the organization introduce the new worker with the existing worker, in which the organization can welcome the new worker with the existing workers. So that the students, these are some of the methods of on the job training. And one more type of training is remaining, and after that one more topic is their training and development. So very few topics are left of this chapter. So you should go through it from the notes also. You should prepare it well. You should prepare yourself for the class test which will be held within 2-3 days. So the syllabus of that particular test will be 3rd and 4th chapter. So you should prepare well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.